Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best table saw blades in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best table saw blades that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the TAICHIV 10 inches saw blades for table saw. This affordable tungsten carbide blade from TAICHIV can reach a respectable 5,500 RPM. Featuring a specially formulated coating to minimize friction and reduce gum up, it should glide through most wood effortlessly. For the price, we didn't really expect that much. However, it performed quite well on our first cuts. Soon we noticed that the blade was starting to dull very quickly. After just a few dozen boards being run through it, this blade had definitely lost some of its charm and was taking longer with each cut. It was also noticeably louder than the higher-end blades with noise relief carvings. The blade may be useful for the hobbyist who isn't using it all that often. If your saw sees regular use, we'd have to recommend something a bit longer lasting. Moving on at number 4. We have the Overpeak 10-inch table saw blade. With a peak RPM of 6,000, this Overpeak table saw blade can be used in almost any saw. Making it even more versatile is the variety of tooth options available, from 30 to 90 TPI. It's a bit more expensive than some of its most similar competitors, though we don't feel that it provides extra value. This is supposed to be a thin kerf blade, though it was noticeably thicker than many of the blades we tested. This meant the cut wasn't quite as clean and there seemed to be more sawdust created. Despite being crafted from tungsten carbide, this blade began to dull very quickly. We noticed it slowing down and causing more splintering in our cuts after just a few boards. Because of the higher price and complete lack of longevity, we can't suggest this blade when other blades at lower price points offer a longer lifespan and cleaner cuts. At number 3, we have the TOMAX TMA 10801 table saw blade. While the average saw blade is fine for cutting most types of lumber, this TOMAX blade is specially designed to take on plastic, aluminum and non-ferrous metals. It also has several features to ensure a long product life, so you truly do get the most for your money. The best part about this blade is that it is resistant to most types of external wearing, as well as wear and tear from repeated use. For a sturdy, versatile blade that performs well cutting a broad range of materials, this TOMAX TCG model is the perfect candidate. At number 2, we have the Irwin Marples 1807368 10 table saw blade. If looking for the best table saw blade for ripping hardwood, the Irwin 1807370 is the perfect one. This product comes with a 10 inches size and a standard 5/8 arbor. It also comes with a thin kerf of 0.98, and so when working, you need to make sure that the blade works with a riping knife and a splinter. Irwin 1807368 comes with 80 teeth that are perfect for crosscutting on thick and dense wood. The blade's high ATB 30 degrees angle acts as a shear slicing through timber fibers and thus reducing the risk of tear and gives an excellent finish on your woods. When compared to other types of woodwork applications, the model performs better than other blades. This product comes with a solid plate at the center and extends out to the sides, which add to its durability, but also comes with 180 teeth that are very tough to touch. Even though those teeth can break easily, but regular maintenance prevents breakage. And finally at number 1, we have the Freud 40-tooth General Purpose 10 inches General Purpose blade. Whether cutting flooring for your home or wood for a project, this Freud General Purpose Table Saw blade is a good choice because it is effective when used with different types of woods as well as laminates. It cuts through that wood smoothly and cleanly, but it can leave behind burn marks on certain types of wood. The 40 individual teeth around the edges provide smooth cuts without splintering the wood. Freud P410 general-purpose saw blade used lasers to cut each of those teeth, which makes the sides smoother and keep the teeth from clinging to the wood. It also comes with a surface coating that keeps sawdust from building up on the surface and makes it resistant to rust. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.